Our first initial impressions of the cup holder thing. It's got LED lights and it's got storage space and it's got the ability to charge your phone. So this is us opening it for the first time. This side, which is going to go into the center console part, is this faux leather. And then we got a softer foam pad on this side. And this is the part that it goes against the seat. Then you have this red stitching, some more faux leather that goes all the way around. Front, side, back. These are the two USB-A's that you can use to charge devices. You have the cup holder part right here. You actually have a little slit on the side. So if you wanted to, you could go ahead and put your phone. So I'll take my phone, slit, put the phone in there, and you have another slit right here for like credit cards or any other cards. The button, when it's plugged in, will change the different colors. It comes with some charging cables and a USB to DC port that you can plug into your car. The two cables that come with it is a USB-A to Lightning, that's for like older iPhones, and then you have the USB-A to USB Type-C, which is a universal connector for basically all modern phones. And then you have two outputs for this guy, and that part goes in your car. So let's go put it in our BMW. Let's go put it in our BMW. So now that we're in our BMW, we're gonna take this part, and this side, the fully flat side, is the side that's gonna go towards the center console, and then this part is gonna go to either the driver or the passenger. And it just fits in between the seat. So it's in the car right now. This is what it looks like. Our seat belt buckle thingy is over here. It doesn't interfere with it, which is super nice, and it moves with the seat. So if I were to go over here and I were to adjust the seat controls, this is what it looks like. So it goes along here as we move it forward and as we move it back. The back side is this faux leather, so it shouldn't scratch the leather or plastic, whatever have you on the other side, and it should just sit in just like that. And again, it moves with the seat, so I like that. The next step that we're going to do is attempt to plug it in so that we have light and that we have power, and we're going to be using this DC to the USB-A port plugs that came with it. And this can plug into your center console. Ooh, nice, and it tells you the voltage output too. Let's go ahead and plug our sides in. Boop. This one lights up, and it is in the color cycling mode, but you can change it with the press of the button. So now it's red, blue, and then green. I'll turn off the dome lights so you can see a little bit better. We have this pink, yellow, we have aqua, we have a lighter pink, and then we have, ooh, this is it back to cycling. So we went through all the colors, now it's color cycling, and you plug both of them in here, and then it gives power on both sides. So once that one's in, that one lights up, and then you can charge your phone through here. And that is what it looks like in our BMW i8. Now, this isn't gonna be our finished setup because it kind of sticks out too far. We can't close this, so make sure you have clearance. You have some way to plug it in over here. What we're gonna do is there's a port down below here. Stay following because you'll see us use some more stuff and wire this, both of them, down to that port. So it'll be super seamless. Phone, again, can go right here. If you have other stuff like this stuff can sit here. And then you still have plenty of space for a cup holder. So you can store a bunch of stuff in here. And again, you have one on that side and you have one on this side. They both light up, tons of storage. I think it's solid. And it doesn't really interfere with the legs at all. So you sit like this, kind of lean your leg up against it. So you can definitely feel it versus it not being there, but it's not that intrusive. This is our next storage mod, if you will, for our BMW i8. Make sure you follow for more because we just got this car and we have a lot of stuff that we're gonna have fun doing with it.